Hello, home savvy friends. Are you excited? I'm so excited. Here we are in Christmas 2024. And this year, I created a wonderful look for the fireplace. And oh, yeah, you know I did it. I pulled that old garland right on out of storage. But I decided to add a few pieces of new garland to give it a fuller look, give it a little bit of a draped effect, a little willowy look. So I did add some extra pieces, but I'm so excited how it turned out this year. Decided to do the asymmetrical look and a key focal area with the red, the gold, the berries. What's exciting is the new pieces came with berries already attached. Anytime you can get elements already in your garland, that is a good thing. So yes, 2024, we went with an asymmetrical draped to the side look again, but I did decide to add more garland to give it a fuller look. So take a look at this quick video on how we put this drama mama together. It has a very classic, elegant feel, and I hope you enjoy. Merry Christmas!